Evaluation of social identity theory, not this, you do not need to write in just any ERQ. This part you will only write when you are asked to evaluate the theory. So it's kind of a ready-made answer that I'm going to give it to you. First is testable. The theory is testable under lab conditions, but it is not really highly testable under naturalistic conditions. This leads to the problem of often low ecological validity. Studies that are not under lab conditions are often anecdotal in nature. Second is empirical evidence. Now, there are several studies that can be used to support the theory. In addition, there is evidence from other approaches that supports the theory. Like, for example, there seems to be biological support for the theory. Hart et al. Study, you can write 2000, and Fiske 2007, both observed activity in the amygdala when participants were shown images of racial outgroups while in an fMRI. This may provide biological support for the process of social categorization into in-groups and out-groups. Third is applications. The theory has high heuristic validity. That is, it can be used to explain a variety of human behaviors, ranging off from how we evacuate in an emergency situation to origins of sexuality to origins of aggressive behavior and violence. Fourth is constructs. There are several constructs that are difficult to measure. Let's say, for example, the salience of one's social identity, the boundaries of identities, or one's level of self-esteem related to a social identity. Fifth is unbiased. Although the early research was conducted only on boys, today research has been done on a diverse sample of gender, sexuality, socioeconomic status, and culture. The theory does not portray a particular bias. Sixth is predictive power. What is that? We all have a lot of different social identities. The theory does not predict well which identity will determine our behavior. In the case of sexuality, the theory may explain why a particular child may become lesbian, but it does not account all the others that do not. So the theory has higher explanatory power than predictive power. Well, I hope you liked my video and understood the concept well. I have all my IB Psychology ERQs and SAQs video available. Please refer to that to learn how to write your answers, and click on the subscribe button so that you don't lose the channel where you get all the IB Psychology material.